In this quick and easy tutorial, you'll learn how to remove the Threads badge from your Instagram profile. Whether you have a personal account or a business account, maintaining a clutter-free, visually appealing profile is essential for success on social media. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you can see right under my name, it shows the Threads app icon with a bunch of numbers. So to remove that Threads badge, just tap on it. Then simply tap Hide Badge. And then tap Remove Badge. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.